How to fix user is already registered with this email in FPL. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, if your FPL login process sees that you already have an email with this, you can check out the following process. You usually have two of the option. First and foremost, instead of pressing on to the sign up button, just go ahead and click on login. Then enter the email address which is notified as already registered. Use that email and the password to log in into your FPL. That is the first method. If somehow you have forgotten the password, just tap on forgot password button and use the alternative way to log in into your FPL. Second option is that you can actually merge it with an existing account. Yes, you can merge your already registered account with a new account if you prefer. By this way, you'll be able to log in into the account if it says user is already registered with this email. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.